How to make email templates on Gmail. So first of all, you just have to tap on settings on the top right corner and go for see all settings. So in order to create an email template, you must need to activate the template option in your settings. So simply tap on advanced and you just have to go for templates and tap on enable. Once you enable this, make sure to save changes because otherwise it will not going to show you that. Once you have saved the pages, you just have to tap on compose, and now let's start composing a template. Let's say you want to reach out to different Instagram pages for promotions or something like that. So you can type anything like that. So let me do it really quickly. Now we have created the template. So this is just an example. So you just have to tap on three dots and this template option should be enabled. If not, make sure to do this as well. After that, you just have to tap on templates and simply tap on save draft as template and tap on save as new template. You can type whatever you want to go with, and once you have saved that, you just have to remove the text. And if I tap on three dots and go for templates again, this is my template that I have saved. As you can see, the text is right here. Hope this helped. This is how to make email template with Gmail.